Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today I'm here with my daughter and she and I are going to be drawing a cute squirrel. And it's going to be holding a acorn, yeah, and I'll have a scarf on. And it's going to have its eyes closed, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so grab a marker or a pen or a pencil and draw with us.
Yay!
Let's get started.
Yay!
Alright, so to draw our squirrel, we're going to start with the nose. We're going to draw an oval on its side. Sure.
I want my nose black.
Okay, you can make yours black. I'm going to probably do mine gray. And then we're going to do a little line down with two little smile lines coming out on either side. Now we're going to draw an oval around what we just did.
It's not the head.
Nope. And then we're going to draw a curved line out this way and a curved line out this way.
It seems like the eyes.
And then right here we're going to come around.
Right here?
Uh-huh. Oops, I looked over and I messed up. That's all right. Oh, cute. That looks good.
It looks like a penguin's head.
And then we're going to draw its closed eyes. One here, one here, and then some little oval-shaped blush on either side. Cute. He kind of looks like a teddy bear right now.
Oh.
That's okay. Now we're going to draw these little dots kind of in a V shape. And these are going to be left white when we're coloring. Just going to fix my line here. Okay, cute. And now the ears are a little more triangular.
But rounded at the top.
Yeah, but rounded at the top.
You don't have to do tufts if you want. You can do tufts if you want.
Yeah, I think I'm going to leave mine. All right, now we're going to draw the hands. I know that seemed weird, but we're going to skip down here, and I'll show you why. Because it's holding the acorn, we have to draw the hands first. And then we can draw the bottom part of the acorn right here, and it comes behind the hands.
I'm doing mine,
And then this is the top part of the acorn. Well, I mean the top, like the lid, and then it goes above it like that. So that's like the lid of the acorn. And then there's a little stem right above it. And then we've got these upside down rainbow shapes to make the pattern.
you can do stripes if you want.
Yeah, that's what we did on the Chicken Little video, huh? We just did stripes. Oh, you're doing stripes down there? That's fine. Okay, and now we can do the scarf. So the scarf goes from the bottom of the head, it connects, and then you do a line down to do the other part of the scarf. And you can have part of it hanging down, but I'm not going to because the tail is pretty big in this, so we'll just leave it like that. All right, so now the bottom part of the body, you curve it down to here, and then you curve this one down to here from the bottom of the scarf. Yeah. And then, so now we're gonna draw just like a curved line down here, and then we're gonna do two upside down rainbow shapes. Just cute little stubby legs.
What stubby legs?
That was cute.
Look at my cute little stubby legs.
Yeah. And now we're gonna do the squirrel tail. So now the squirrel tail has like a cool little curl in it, like this. So I'm gonna start with the curl. Makes like this wave shape. on its side. Look how cool that is. And then it comes down and out and connects with the body. And then I'm coming back to this part of the wave and I'm going to curl it over and up. And it's going to hide.
I'm getting to feel it.
Oh, that's cute. And yeah, and you can draw other lines in there too if you want. I think I'll just do one other line. All right.
I'm doing
So that was a fun, cute, simple way of drawing a squirrel.
That was fast.
That was fast. Should we color it?
Yeah,
Right.
let's get coloring.
All right. Let me set that over. We weren't happy with any of the colors we found in the marker box that we had, and so we colored ours on the iPad. We took a picture and then colored it on the iPad. We hope you had fun drawing your squirrel, and we will. Oh, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.